Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Behind me today, of course, we have an Aquila 36 at the Aquila hub of the United States of America. This one is very special. It is hull number 98, which is one of the first cruiser editions, which is a fully enclosed boat. I ran one for the first time the other day. It's going to be a big hit. There's already a ton of them on pre-order, and let me show you around this boat. Back here, this one is optioned out with the maximum power package. We have twin supercharged Mercury 400 Verados. These are the 5th generation inline 6-cylinder engines. Push this boat through the water at about 43 miles per hour is what I got it to the other day, even with the full enclosure. You notice right here we have our side entry door, and one of my favorite things about the innovation on this boat is you have that side entry door on both sides, not just one. So if you're docked up a certain way or you're maneuvering towards a certain dock somewhere, maybe a restaurant on the water, you have the ability to dock up either way and be able to open up that side door. As we make our way into the triple digits now in the amount of Aquila 36s sold, we're starting to see some trends that are a little more popular than others, and this is one of them right here. We've got the 2/3 seating, which this is going to fold out into a sun pad, a really nice mocha updated color scheme on the upholstery with the diamond stitch and whatnot. So we've got 2/3 seating. The 1/3 over here is our modular Kenyan grill with a refrigerator underneath it. So you truly are getting the best of both worlds here. This is not a fishing package where it's all utilization back here, and it's also not the charter edition where it's full seating. So we see this is the most popular way that we'll have these boats spec'd out. Follow me inside here. We're gonna get to talking a little bit about the cruiser package, but before we do that, very simple door to operate. It's on a 3-track system. So you can have it pretty much whatever way you want, whether you want it open in the middle, fully closed, or even brought all the way to the other side if you're driving. It's a very versatile system. So we make our way inside here. The Cruiser Edition is much more than just the doors. It's actually the doors, this upgraded table, the infinity woven vinyl on our feet, and you look up here, we've got our premium headliner that really makes this feel a little bit less like you're on a boat and a little bit more like you're on a yacht. Now, everything's cool and stuff like that, but some of the executives at Aquila pointed out a big point to me the other day, and I looked out for it as I drove this boat, and when you fully enclose this boat, it truly makes all the sound go away, and you can have a conversation even at full throttle just like we're having right now, and you get that AC going, and it's amazing how after a long trip, whether you're crossing the Bahamas, when you're out of the elements, you just feel so refreshed when you get where you're going, and you don't feel like you've been driving a boat all day. It feels like you've been driving a car and you're ready to dock up and start partying. That being said, we come over here. We've got our Kenyan induction cooktop. You're usually going to see that induction cooktop when you have that grill back there. You've got your sink right here. Got another refrigerator right there. Keep in mind we still have that one over there. Make our way forward. This boat has a Raymarine system. This particular buyer, this boat's actually going up north somewhere, is going to install that second system and a radar up top. One of the other things that Aquila did recently too, before you had to either operate from your head unit down below your radio or up on the Raymarine unit, now you have your own Fusion head unit right there on the dash. And of course this boat is going to have joystick piloting. As on every Aquila 36, you're going to have 2 separate staterooms that are going to mirror each other. Keep yourselves out of the elements, air conditioning in each of the staterooms. The only difference between the two is you're going to have your breaker panel right there, which is super easy to operate, but not many other 36-footers on the market that can be utilized as 2 separate staterooms. You know, you can have your own stateroom here, you can have the kids or grandkids over there, maybe another couple, but you've got privacy so everybody's not on top of each other, and there's really no need to get a hotel room. So hats off to Aquila on that. Make our way up towards the bow. We've got a lot going on up here. Great social zone, as I like to call them. Very versatile too, whether it's completely laid out as a sun pad or face-to-face seating right there. You can really enjoy yourselves, and it's real comfortable to ride up here as well, especially when you're going. These Aquilas, being power catamarans, are very comfortable. They're not going to rock very much side to side, and you can really enjoy yourselves and get that wind flowing through your hair. So once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis at the Aquila hub of MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and I look forward to showing you your very own Aquila 36. Bye, guys.